Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Like I said, trading is very, very complicated,
Yes,
and
sir.
you might be seeing lifestyles online, seeing so many things. All these things, they are real. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
There
sir.
is no, if you see somebody making $10,000 a day, it's possible.
Yes, sir.
And also, it's possible that somebody can lose $10,000 a day,
Okay. Yes, a minute, sir.
even a
Minute.
minute. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So going into Forex, it shouldn't be all about the goal. You should focus on the process first.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's say in a week time now, you are going to be a graduate, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know how many years it takes you
Yes, you got it.
for you to be a graduate.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So trading is a skill set. You must focus on the process.
Yes, sir.
All right. That is why, like me, before I acquired this knowledge, it took me time because there was nobody to really guide me. All right. And people you will meet, you pay money to them, you discover that it's not, they are not really, most people don't even want to show you,
Ah,
they will not, and will I say they won't want to, the ability to show you how it functions is somehow difficult, or you understand? And some will just teach you, and at the end of the day, it is you that will now go back and really do research yourself. So me, I struggled for a very long time before I was able to find my feet. Why am I telling you this? Just to prepare you. You understand? It's not just this mindset, I want to just blow overnight. See people driving cars. No, it doesn't
yes, sir.
work. Do you know the process they went through before? It's just the success that people will see.
See. Yes.
But it took them time, a lot of frustration, failing, losing money before they will now stabilize. Right? Like somebody like you now, you have somebody like me, so you don't have to go through that process of wanting to kill yourself or wanting to quit at some point. It's very common in trading. When you are faced with the challenge, you
Yes, sir.
even get to a point that you want to quit. You understand? But you just know that this is a system that works. Something will just rise in you and say, "Ah, this is a system, it really works and it pays." But that's why I said, don't be driven by what you want to get from it. No, remove that from your mind. Focus on the process. You have to learn it, and
Yes,
there
sir.
are a lot of work to do. Once you are done with your final exams now, then I have to take you through the process. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I will take you through the process, then everything will be fine. I promise you. Like you
Yes,
already
sir.
have some basic uh, knowledge about trading because you buy and sell
Mm.
cryptos, right?
Cryptocurrencies, yes.
Yes, on Binance. Or which platform do you use?
Yes, sir.
Which platform do you use?
Sometimes I use Paxful, Bybit, sometimes
Okay.
Binance, depending on the
Binance.
rate.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. You know, like trading is when you are a forex trader, You buy when
Yes.
the price is increasing,
Yes, sir.
then at some point you sell.
So,
And so, and when is the price is coming down, you sell, as in you go short. That means
yes.
price is decreasing, you go short.
Yes,
In
sir.
that way, you are making profits.
Yes,
And
sir.
there are ways to determine when to buy and when to sell.
Yeah.
All
Yes, sir.
right. So you don't just jump in and because price is rising, you just jump in and buy. No. Or
Okay.
you just see some decline, you just jump in. No. There are things you must put into consideration.
Before.
All those things is you must learn how to read structure. It's very important. If you don't learn how to, if you don't know how to read structure, it's a very, very big problem. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, I'm going to put you through what market structure is all about. Can you see my screen very well?
Yes, I can see it's very clear.
Market structure is what?
The
Essentially
essential frame
framework
of
of
price
price
movement.
movement.
Yes, sir.
Is essentially the framework of price movement. I will send you these slides once we are done, okay?
Okay, okay.
It includes trends. When you say
Up
when you say trend, from trend we have the uptrend,
down.
downtrend, and sideways. I will
Yes.
show you these things in a moment. All right, just
Okay.
follow it. Then we have the swing highs and lows,
Yes, sir.
support and resistance levels,
Yes, sir.
breakouts and reversals. Then one
Yes, sir.
thing you should note is that traders use market structure to determine whether the market is trending or
Or
ranging and
ranging.
anticipate future price movement based on historical data.
Behavior.
Now, we have types of market structure. There are three primary types of market structures in forex trading. We have the trending market, all right? And the trending market, we have uptrend, all right, and the downtrend. The uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. Once you see these characteristics, when price is making higher highs and higher lows, you know that this is an uptrend. Then we have a downtrend. When we say price is making an uptrend, are you there? Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Okay,
Yes, my network was bad.
okay. So when we say that uptrend, price making higher highs and higher lows.
Yes, sir.
Then we say downtrend, price makes lower highs and
Lower.
lower lows. All right.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, when we say uptrend, we are simply saying rise in price.
Yes, sir.
Price is going up, like from $1 to $1.50 to $2, from $2.50 is rising. Then when we say downtrend, we are simply saying that the price, maybe
Yes,
the price was at $5, for example, now is now decreasing to $4.50, $4, then $3.50, $3 is coming down. All right.
yes,
So
sir.
let me show you something. This is what we call a chart. This is where where all the magics happen. All right.
Yes, sir.
Anything you do here, you will face the consequence. If you take the right steps, you get the right result.
But
If you take the wrong steps, you
maybe the
get
wrong way.
a negative result. So this is where the magic happens. This very place you see, this is where the magic happens. You understand?
Yes, sir.
This is where people makes money on a daily basis. This is where people lose money on a daily basis. Now, you can imagine somebody venturing into a business that you don't know anything about. What do you think will happen to that person?
We lose, we lose.
Yes. They will always say, or rather, there's a saying which says that you go into a business you know, not the ones you don't know. The ones you don't know, you go and learn about the business before you venture into it,
Into it. Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Like now, the course you are reading is
Civil engineering.
eh?
Civil engineering.
Civil
Engineering.
engineering, right? You can
Yes, sir.
imagine someone who does not even know anything about that. So
Yep.
see the years it takes you, all
To
right?
understand.
You see the years it takes you and the hard work, the pains and all that. It's the same thing with forests. Some people, it can take you 5 years before
So,
you can find your feet. Some people, it can take you 3 years, 2 years. Some people, even 6 months, you've already grabbed the concept.
yes, sir.
Do you understand? So now, and apart from grabbing the concept, forests evolve every day. There are different patterns every day, and you have to always uh, study to improve yourself as far as financial world is concerned. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
just the way you are looking at it. This thing is all over the world. This thing you see. Now, what do you see here is Euro and USD,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
This is the instrument here, Euro and USD. Now, the Euro is a currency. Dollar, the USD is also a currency. The
Yes,
Euro
sir.
is what we use here in Eurozone, all right?
Yes, sir.
Then the USD is American currency, the USA. So for you to be able to follow all those things up, you don't just trade them, you have to follow, you have to be up to date with their economy, what is
Yes, sir.
going on in their economy. You can imagine me trading Euro USD now. Now I need to update myself what is happening here in the Europe and what is happening in the America.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because there are a lot of policies that comes out every day, and that is what we call fundamentals. The
Yes, sir.
fundamentals will help you know what is going on in each country as regards to the pairs. When I use the word pairs, I'm referring to the currencies that you want to trade.
Yes, sir.
All right. In this
Yes,
case
sir.
now is Euro USD. So
Yes, sir.
today, let's not go too deep so that you won't get confused. I just want you to know how a structure is being read. That is when you open your chart, you know what is actually going on. If I
Yes, sir.
ask you right now, this thing you see here, what do you make of this whole scenario here from here like this?
Mhm. I can see change in price going up and price going down.
Good.
Market going up, market going down.
Exactly. market is going up and it's coming down. Now, this is what happens. From here, you see price like this up to this point, right?
Yes, sir. It goes up.
This point here, you see decrease in price
Yes, sir.
like this. As at yesterday, this was what happened to this point here, and market closed. This was where market closed yesterday, this point here.
Okay, market closed yesterday.
Yes, Forex runs 24/7, 5 days in a week.
Okay.
And but if cryptos, they also functions weekends too, right?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. But in forex market, forex runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week.
A week. Yes, sir.
So market will open tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday at 11 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Market will open. Then it will run till 11 p.m. on
Right.
Friday.
Yes,
Market
sir.
will close. Forex market will close. And we have different sections. We have the New York section, we have the Asia section, and we have the London section. So
Yes,
it
sir.
all depends on the one that resonates with you, that you now decide, okay, if maybe you don't have time during the day, at night you can trade. That is Asia session.
Yes, sir.
Or maybe you don't want to trade at night. In the morning, New York session, no, London session open around 7 a.m.
Yes, sir.
till 4. But within that time, before London session close, New York session opens around 1. All right, so that is what we call London and New York overlap. And there you see volume. A
Yes,
lot
sir.
of people, like some people, they'll say, okay, they like to trade only London session. Some people will say they like to trade New York session. Some people trade Asia session. Do you understand? So now this
Yes, sir.
depend on your trading style and the one that resonate with you.
Yes, sir.
So back to what I just said. Now, if you look at this chart, all the information here, the only thing you will see is candlesticks, right?
Yes, sir.
You only see candlesticks, and these candlesticks represent both the buyers and the sellers.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Those are the people that are in the market, the buyers and the sellers. All right?
Yes, sir.
And there's one thing about law of demand. All right?
Yes, sir.
If the demand
It's
is
high.
high, price will go up,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
If the demand is low, what happens? Law of
The
demand and supply. If the demand is low, the price of an asset will drop.
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So the higher the demand, the higher the price. The
Yes, yes,
lower
sir.
the demand, the
The
lower.
lower.
So that is law of demand and supply, and that is what is really affecting what comes to play when it comes to forex. All right.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
at this point here now, at this point, once you open your chart, and you discover that these candlesticks are going printing to the upside. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Once they are printing to the upside like this, like my own, I denoted it with this color, which you can see white
Blue.
and blue.
Yes,
You
sir.
can you can change your own to any color of your choice. How do you do that? You simply right click, you go to settings, and you see. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can change this color to any color of your choice, so it doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
So what matters here is that a bullish candle that represents buyer, it will
Okay.
open from the downside,
Yes, sir.
close from the upside.
Yes, sir.
Now, a bearish candle that represents the seller, which is white in this instance,
Yes, sir.
open from the top, it will print and close from the downside.
Yes, sir.
You see the difference?
Yes, sir.
Bullish candle open from the downside, print
Sorry.
and close from the top side. Bearish candle that represents sellers open from the top side, print and close from the downside.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me show you how a structure is being formed.
Okay.
So let's come here like this. All right. Now, when we say an uptrend, all right, or
Yes,
a
sir.
trending market, right? A
Yes, sir.
trending market, which we've just read here, all right?
Yes,
A
sir.
trending market, can you see?
Yes, sir. I can see it, sir.
A trending market, all right? We say we have uptrend and we have downtrend.
Trend.
And the uptrend, we say price makes higher highs and higher lows. And the downtrend, we say price makes lower highs and lower lows. Now, this is what it is. When candlestick open here, it prints, it gets here,
Okay.
it pull back, go up like
Good
this,
again. Yes, sir.
come down, push to the upside, come down, push to the upside. Now we say at this point, this is what we call an uptrend. All right, this is what we call
Yes.
an uptrend. This is an uptrend.
Yes, sir.
It simply means that the asset is increasing in price.
Yes, sir.
And we did mention the characteristics of an uptrend: higher highs and higher lows, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is highs, this is low. This is
Sir.
high, this is low.
Low.
Higher highs, higher low. All
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
High, low. Higher highs, this high is lower than this one.
But
This
yes, sir.
one is higher than this one.
Yes,
This other one here is higher than
higher
this.
than- yes, sir.
Now, this is how you enter the trade. Once price prints to this point, and stop, then you now start seeing it coming down. This is what we call retracement of price.
Yes, sir.
Because price don't just go up like this, continue to go up. No, it's not done anywhere. Even if there's a news event, there will be a spark in price, but you see a deceleration again. All right? Now, when you see price
Yes, sir.
going up, get to this point, it has not formed anything. At that point, there's nothing you will do. Let's the price start printing from here. It gets to this point. The structure is not yet formed.
Okay.
Now, once it creates a high, then you now see price making a retracement. We call it retracement or a pullback.
Yes, sir.
All those terminologies, I will teach you everything and you will know them. You are a very smart boy, I know.
Yes, sir.
But those are the terminology. We call it retracement or a pullback.
Yes,
It
sir.
has created a high.
Yes, sir.
And then there will be a moment of relief. Price will be coming down. All right.
Yes,
Once
sir.
price comes down, it will stop here. It will not come and it will not go below this level.
Yes.
This one now has formed a base. It's going up. It has created a high. Then as it's coming down, you see that this pullback will
You know
not
me.
violate this level.
Yes, yes, sir.
It can get to up to this point. It can even
But
touch it. It can
okay.
even break below, but it will close above it. Worst
Yes,
case
sir.
scenario, it can spike it, as in can break below it. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
As to hunt early traders who are
Yes,
not
sir.
patient. As the moment they see a candlestick going up like this, they have entered already.
Yes, sir.
So in some cases, price will come back, push them out, but before the candle close, it will go back. It will close above it, but you will see the wick. Let me show you something.
Okay.
Just something like this. You see this? You see this wick? Can you
Yes,
see
I
it?
can see it. I zoomed it just now.
This one here? You see this wick? We call it wick. Just like, for example, live candle. We now put fire
Yes, sir.
burning. You see the thread, right?
Yes, sir.
So you see this one. What happens? It came down up to this
Yeah.
point, but before the body of the candle, what happened? The body of the candle closed exactly here.
Dear, yes.
You understand? This is
Yes,
what
sir.
we call psychological numbers. This is a psychological level, 1.16 thousand. This is a psychological level because traders, they have already placed their um, buy um, buy limit order here, waiting for this price to get to this point. All right. But what
Yes,
now
sir.
happened? Price push
Went
below
down
this
below.
point to push them out. All right.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the candle still, he now after pushing up to this point, he now rejected and he came and he closed exactly at this level.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right. So
Yes, sir.
now, if you want to read this candle now, this is the low, but this is where it closed. It means
Lost.
that before this time frame, this is 4 hours. Now, 4 hours, we are simply saying each candlestick, each one of them represent 4 hours. It will, until 4 hours, another candle will not print.
Went out. Okay.
So when we say time frame, if you're on 1 minute that you sent to me and I told you don't ever go to 1 minute for
1 minute.
any because it's too noisy. It then means that each candle will print for just 1 minute and another one will appear.
Yes, sir.
After 1 minute, another one will appear. But
Yes, sir.
when you are trading on 4 hours, each candle will remain printing until after 4 hours before another candle will open. So you
Uncle.
see less noise and you see the structure very clear and not confusing. If you want to be successful as a trader, if you want to know what you are doing, you follow the higher time frame.
How do we set the hours?
You don't need to set them. You see all this 1 minute,
Yes, okay, I've seen it now.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
If I click on all those things now, I'm on 3 hours now, as I've clicked here.
Yeah, now it's showing 3 hours.
That
Okay.
means that each candlestick here now represents 3 hours.
3 hours, yes, sir.
If I click on 1 hour, it then means that each candlestick here now
Present 1 hour.
represents 1 hour. If I click on 1 minute, it means that each candlestick here represents 1 minute. All right? But is the higher time frame that is the Google map of trading. Because the big boys, they don't trade on lower time frame. All right, all those financial institutions, banks, they trade on higher time frame. They will be the one
Yes, sir.
to, they at that point, okay, let me show you one scenario. This one here, I'm on 4 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this thing here, this candle?
Yes, I can
What
see.
happened yesterday because of this new news event yesterday? You see, how many candles do you see here? This long one, this white one,
This short
and
one, yes, sir.
another one. That is three, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to daily time frame. How many candles do you see now? This one. It's just one
1,
big
2,
candle.
3,
This one here.
1, 2,
This
3,
one.
4.
No, this very one is just one. Okay, wait. Let me
1.
see.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, let me show you. You see this candle here?
Yes, sir.
If I if
Yes,
I
one.
drop to 4 hours, how many candles you see now?
3.
1, 2, 3 now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I go back to one daily, is it Shebi is one?
Yes, it's 1. That's
Okay,
one.
now you see this one.
Yes, sir.
The target now is that this candle will push
Up.
up, but there's an obstacle here. This obstacle here is what? There is a resistance area. This one here.
Yes, I can see. Resistant area.
This is a resistance.
Yes, sir.
That means that as this price is pushing up, there will be an obstacle here. It is possible for a reversal to happen here. Now, what do I mean by reversal? I'm simply saying that because of this obstacle here, this resistance,
Resistance.
all right?
Yes, sir.
As price is approaching here now, it can come back down. It can reverse and start coming down
Down. Yes, sir.
because of this obstacle here, this resistance.
Yes, sir.
And why is it that? Why do we have a resistance here? There's a resistance here because you see this very point, sellers, they are waiting for price to get to this point before they will push the price down.
Down.
So what happens is that the sellers, they are there, they have already placed their orders, waiting that once price get here, they want to sell, and the price will
Go
now
down.
start coming down. It will
Down.
reverse and start coming down. So
Yes, sir.
if you are still on this trade and the price is coming down and you don't know, it will now come and knock you out.
That's true.
And apart from that, if you have been making profit up to this point, if you don't know that this place is a resistant area, it's very obvious, it's an obvious resistant area. Why? Because when price got here, can you see my cursor? When price got here,
Yes, I can see.
there was a pullback. There was a pullback, then it now broke structure. All right. Now,
Yes,
after
sir.
breaking structure, price came again. He respected this level. And
This
look at
level.
when price from here got to this point, he rejected from here. He came down before he gathered momentum. He now broke structure. He cleared this high. He came down again. He went up. He came down,
Okay.
respecting this level. All
This
right.
line, this level. Yes, sir.
Resistance level. So it's very most likely that once price get to this level now, as it's pushing up, is still going to respect it, and price now is going up. Once price gets here now, is most likely that it will drop. All right.
Yes, sir.
But if it breaks, if it manage to break above it, is going to come back, retest it before it finally push to the upside.
Post. Yes, sir.
Okay, that is that. So it's higher time frame that is the best. What you do on the higher time frame is open your higher time frame, all right? Then
Yes, sir.
you will now know the direction of
Good.
of
Okay, market.
price. Now, looking at this thing, you discover that this is a bullish trend. All right? An
Yes, sir.
uptrend. This is an uptrend. It's an uptrend because it's been making higher highs, higher low,
Post.
higher highs, higher,
Higher low.
higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, until this level. The order flow
You know,
is supposed to go above
yeah. Yes,
level,
sir. Yes, sir.
but it did not go above. It now stopped here.
Yeah.
Once you see something like that, this is what we call fail to create. He failed to create. He did not do his job. This level was supposed to push to the upside, taking out this high.
Right.
But this level now failed to create a high. That means all you now see is that this level now will now be used as a liquidity. Price will now come down and clear this one off. That is what happened. You see, it now came clearing this, violating this level. That was what now gave us market shift. It's been bullish, now is now bearish. From
Yeah.
here to this point now, this is a bearish market,
Market.
a downtrend. We say bullish when price is increasing. You can tell me to pause at any moment, ask any question.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm. So now that we are now in a bearish trend, the price is decreasing from here. And at this point, the price found support. It got to this level, it found support.
Support.
Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
buyers are here. The buyers will always wait for a support level. They want price to come down to a support level, they buy. Then price will start going up,
No.
right?
Yes, sir.
And because that yesterday, when price got to this point and there was a huge push to the upside, and this is where price market closed yesterday and we are here. So at this point, from here now, once market opens, we are already seeing on an obstacle here. There's an obstacle here, a resistance level here.
Yes, sir.
Possible that the price will revise from here or
Down.
continue going to the upside. If it continues, that means it's going to take out this high.
Yes, sir.
So now, before we go too deep so that you won't be confused, we are simply saying an uptrend has these characteristics of higher highs, higher low, higher
Yes,
highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, that is exactly what the scenario I was giving you.
Demonstration. Yes, sir.
I don't want to just clear the screen because I have so many things that I've already. Otherwise, I would have just right click, remove every drawings. I don't want to. I don't want to do that because I have so many things on my screen that I use for my analysis and all that.
Yes, sir.
So before you trade at all, you first of all do your analysis.
This is first.
And the analysis is for you to be able to ascertain the direction of trend first,
Yes, sir.
where the trend is going, where the big boys, where the banks, where the financial institutions, where their direction, where they are going to. All you need to do as a retail trader, you follow them. If they are going south, you follow them. You understand?
Yes, sir.
If they are going north, you follow them. So if they are going up, you join them to buy. If they're coming down, you join them to sell.
Yes,
That is how it is. If you go against them, as they are pushing up, you want to come down, they will clear you.
yes.
And that means you are just on a wrong side.
Okay, yes, sir.
And so that is how it works. So before you start, you do your analysis. And one thing you must first of all ascertain is to know the direction of trend. Once you have
Good.
ascertained the direction of trend, you have been able to identify the direction of trend, then you will now capitalize on the current trend. Now, if I say what is the current trend now, this is the current trend. Price has shifted from bearish state, from bullish state to a bearish state.
Next
This
stage.
is the current trend. All right. So this point, you
Yes,
will now look for opportunity because here, from here to this point, is the current trend now.
yes,
All
sir.
right. From here to this point. So if you go down, you now see that, look at it. You see, this is 4 hours.
Yes, sir.
See what I shaded now on daily time frame. You see this one. Then if you
Yes, sir.
scale down, you now see a lot of data here, a lot of information. Look at it like this.
Yes, sir.
Price is coming down, decelerating. This is where market shift happens. Market shift simply means that the trend is shifting from the bullish state to a bearish state.
Next stage.
That is market shift. All right.
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes, sir.
now, at this point, this is a support level and price bounce from here. Why did price bounce from here? Because there are
Don't
buyers
stop.
here, others are here. So immediately it got here, price got rejected from here, and you see it going up. And apart from that, there is a psychological number here. We call it evil handle. That is 1.14000. So that is why. So you don't just jump into trading. You must know at every point, you must know what is going on. So once you have been able to identify the direction of trend, then you now capitalize on the current trend. On the current trend, then you now look for opportunity to enter the market. All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is now we're talking of uptrend, talking about uptrend. Now, if price moves like this, up, come down, break structure to the upside, it is
Oh,
expected that now that price has taken out this high, here we say break of structure. All right, break of
yes, sir.
structure here. Why do we say break of structure? Price started here.
It's changed.
price started here, it pushed, increased to this point, then there was a retracement or a pullback to this level, then it now started increasing again, it now violated this high. So the order flow now is that now that price has violated this high, it's supposed to create another high, then pull back again.
Back again.
You see, that is a sequence.
Yes, sir.
If anything should change, that means the order flow has been altered.
Mm.
Do you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
now that price is here now, it's supposed to come back, moment of relief, retracement, or you call it pullback. Then the next move, once he finds support, he push again to violate this high. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
it now?
Yes, sir.
Then we will now say again this point, break of structure. Who is that? Just hold on. Somebody else.
Okay, okay.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. So we now say break of structure again. Why? Because price has been able to violate this high. Remember we say a high, a low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. Then when price gets here and you are now seeing a sign, what will now happen is for price to now come back to create a what? A low. All right? And
Yes, sir.
once price has created a low and the found support, the next move will be up.
Yes, sir.
This high again. All right? And it will continue like this. It will continue like this until
There's resistance.
the momentum has been exhausted. Meaning that it will get to a point where sellers will now want to overpower buyers. Because once it's like this, you now know that buyers are in control of the market.
Oh, market, yes, sir.
But it will definitely get to a level, a resistant level. A resistance simply means like a ceiling. A ceiling. Once you get to the roof, you are not going anywhere. Then a support is like a floor. Once you are on the floor, you can't break the floor and enter inside the ground. Do you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
this area is what we call a support level. This area is what we call a resistance level.
Okay.
Previous high, this high is what?
Yes, sir.
A resistance level.
This
The low is what?
top level.
Level. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Until price now get to a resistance level. Let's say price now get to this level. Now, instead of price pushing back to this level before it goes up, then it will come down like this. The next thing you should see, the other flow is supposed to break this level to the upside, right? It
Yes,
will
sir.
stop here. It will not take out this high.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, once you see something like this, it then means that he has created a lower high. This is a higher, this is a high, the highest.
Higher high.
He now created a lower high.
High.
Once you see something like this, the next thing you should know is that because this guy here, this support level here, failed to take out this high, look at it. This one here took out this one, right? He created this level.
Yes, sir.
Then he pulled back.
Some took out.
He now pushed to the upside. He took out this level. He created a high. Then when
Yes,
after this pullback, this guy here is supposed to take out this high, but he did not. Once you see something like this, start preparing to change your bias. All right? Now,
yes, sir.
changing your bias simply means that you've been buying. You've been on this trade, buying.
Yeah.
The next thing is for you to take your profit and watch what will happen next. Now, what price does is that now that he has created a higher low or a lower high here,
Yes,
all right,
sir.
this is high, is higher than this. All right, once he has created something like this, the next push that will be coming down, we have to take out this low. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The next push, we have to take out this low. And once something like this happen, all right, we simply say, we now say, from this point here, we will say market shift.
Market shift.
MS.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Market shift or change of character. All right?
Yes, sir.
Market shift or change of character simply means that it's been bullish. Now it has changed. It has changed. It's not that flow is no longer in sequence anymore because immediately this guy pulled back, he's supposed to break this high, but he did not. Rather, he now came back and violated this low. All
Yes,
right,
sir.
he violated this support level. That means market shift has happened.
Shift or
All right,
change of
then
character.
what you will now see next, immediately price creates a low like this, you will see a pullback. All right, once it happens like this, all you need to do is to take your profit and observe what happened next.
Yes.
If you jump in from here, where it's possible you jump in from here, you take your profit here. But the greedy ones, once you jump in from here, they will know that, okay, this is market shift. They want to start pushing the market to the downside. No, it does not work that way. As a matter of fact, the downtrend is not yet established. What will
Yes, sir.
establish the downtrend now is that because right now, it just gave us a market shift. Then you have to watch this push back to see whether it will violate this level or it will stop. Well, whether it will respect it. Once it stops like that, like here now, then break structure to the downside. Yes, this is what has established your downtrend. Once you see something like this, the downtrend is now established. You can now say at this point, this is a break of structure. All right? You can now, at this point, this is what
Yes, sir.
break of structure. A break of structure to the downside. Now, immediately it gives you a break of structure, you now say, okay, we are now on a downtrend. And the characteristics of a downtrend, what is it? The characteristics of a downtrend is what? Price makes lower highs and lower low, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the characteristics of a downtrend.
Sure.
So when that one happens, immediately it breaks structure to the downside. The next push you're supposed to see is push, make a retracement, breaking structure to the downside. A retracement, breaking structure to the downside. All right?
Yes, sir.
lower low, lower high, lower
Lower,
low, lower high,
lower highs.
lower low, lower high, until price now finds a support on the downside. Now, instead of this push to now go back, stop here, all right? Instead
Yes,
of
sir.
breaking price to the downside, it now stop here again. Once it stop here, just know that something else is about to happen, because the other flow, it was supposed to push and take out this low, right?
Yes, sir.
Because if you put this one here, this is a break of structure, all right? All
Yes,
these
sir.
ones, they are break of structure,
Yes, sir.
breaking structure to the downside. Breaking structure to the downside. All right. Then
Yes, sir.
this was the last break of structure, pull back, then price now stopped here. All right. That means
Yes,
this guy here now has failed his job. This resistance level has failed his job to create another low.
low.
Now, what will now happen? Price stopped here. Then the next thing you will see is breaking structure to the upside. The next thing you will see is price violating this low. Instead of this low to violate, instead of this high to violate this low, it did not. That is what we call fail to create. It failed to create another low. That is the other flow. Now, what happens? This guy here now will now violate this low by using this one as a liquidity. Then what
Okay.
now happen? Once the sequence has changed, what happens here, this very point? What would we say this one was? This very one here.
Wait, I can't see my screen.
Huh?
Network. Okay, mark it again.
This one.
Market shift.
Okay. This market shift. Now, what now happen here now? This one broke structure to this downside. Then there's a pullback to a resistance level. Then it was supposed to break structure to the downside, but it did not. It stopped here.
Changed.
Then
Yes,
this
sir.
level now push and take out this high. Then we now say market shift has happened, right?
Yes, sir.
Or we say change of character.
Change of character.
It's
Yes,
the
sir.
same thing. Market shift or change of character. Like now, price that has been bullish, from here it changed character, it's been bearish. Now you see this move is changing to become bullish again. All right. So once you see this scenario again, you know, say, okay, I have to change my bias. And now I have to now start
Also,
looking for buying opportunity. This level, all this while, as the price was going down, I was selling. It was a selling opportunity. All right. Now that it has given me another formation like this, a pattern,
that
now
I think
I will now be looking for a selling opportunity. Should you jump in like this? No. It just
no.
get only market shift or change of character just happen. Only change of character just happen. And there are cases that you would think that price action has given you a change of character or a market shift already. Then the next thing you will see, we call it flip zone. Breaking structure to the upside, they will now come break this one to the downside again. That is flip zone.
Flick zone.
Yes, you now see
Flip.
after breaking down to this side, it will now resume again, pull back, push, it will now start going down again. It will now resume back the normal order flow. This one now is just a flip zone. So what you need to do is for you to always be patient. in trading, you need to be patient. You need a
Patient.
lot of patience. In trading, you need a lot of patience. Once you see change of character or market shift like this, you need to pause and let price action or the market tell you where it wants to go. But the only thing that you know, because you know how to read markets, you know how to read market structure, you just know that, okay, something is about to happen once you see this pattern. So all you need to do is just hold on. You don't need to do anything. If you're at home, maybe you don't have any other thing doing, you start playing your game and be watching your chart. All right?
Yes,
So
sir.
once this kind of thing happens, then the next thing you should be anticipating is for price to pull back and not violating this level and this level, pull back, then breaking structure to the upside. And once you see a structure that is broken to the upside like this, you just come label it break of structure.
Structure.
All right, you label
Yes,
it
sir.
break of structure. It then means that an uptrend has been established. Now, the next thing you now you have to now do is for you to wait for a pullback. Once the pullback is coming to an end, you join to push the price to the upside.
Okay, yes, sir.
Usually, the tactics that you use is you always mark the level. Mark the
Yes, sir.
level. You mark the level. You say, okay, price from here, it returns, it push like this. All right?
That support.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
At this point, you know, say, okay, this is what? A support level.
Yes, sir.
You not say this is a support level. All you need to do is wait for price. Like now, you have marked this place, for example. You say, okay, this is a support level.
Yes,
I
sir.
will now be waiting for price to come back to this my zone, and in a more advanced way of doing this is that there's what we call Fibonacci retracement tool that I will teach you later. You plot it like this.
Okay.
Now, you now have to now say, okay, at this point, Fibonacci retracement tool from, you can see 0.00, right?
Yes, sir.
You can also see 23.60, right?
Yes, sir.
38.20,
38.20%.
50.00, 61.80, 78,
78.60%.
100%.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All these levels, there are meanings. It has meanings. All right.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when you remove this guy from here, for example, let me explain. From this 50% to 100%, this is what we call discount level.
Yes, sir. Discount level.
This is a discount level. This is a discount level. All right.
Yes, sir.
Then this 50% down to 100%, this is a discount level.
Yes, sir.
Then from this 50% to a 0% that is up, we call it premium level.
Premium level. Premium level.
This is a premium level.
My phone is off.
Okay. So from here up is premium. Then from here down, from this 50 down is a discount level. Now, this is how it works. When you are on a bullish trend, an uptrend, you always have to wait for price to pull back into a discount level. Now, let's say, for example, you want to buy shoe and you have 50 Wetin be that money wey we dey spend for Nigeria sef? What is that money that we spend in Nigeria sef?
My phone is on 1%. 1%. That's right.
Ah, okay. Like what do you call it? Naira, right? That Naira, let's say you want to buy shoe and you have
It's almost
2,000. That is what you want to buy shoe. And the current price is 2,500. You know, say, okay, you wait until when they are doing discount, right? Hello?
I can hear you now, Uncle. I said my phone is in 1%. 1%.
Ah, and there's no light.
And there's no light in studios.
Ah, okay. That
That's
means we have to stop here, all right?
yeah. Yes, sir. I'll look for it
Okay,
to charge now.
don't worry. Okay, let me just round up this one. Then you know, say, okay, you want to wait until price come down to the amount that you have, all right? Then
Yes,
you
sir.
now buy the shoe. So that is a discount. You wait, price is here. You wait for that for the price to come back to the amount you want to pay. Once you
Yes,
get
sir.
there, you now enter before the price starts rising.
Yes, sir.
So that is how it works. Though don't worry, just even your laptop would have been better. Charge them, and when you are free, you let me know. And if all those
Okay,
things
Uncle.
are charged, you let me know so that we can kick off from here. Okay?
Okay, Uncle.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Just take care.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bye.